Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Abble coin. It's like Apple, but instead of peas, they're kind of like upside down peas, I guess, because they are bees. And this obviously is a meme coin, paying homage to the Apple company. Ticker symbol AABL. But this token just got a brand new central exchange listing yesterday, March 22nd, on a very big central exchange. This is a Solana meme token. These Solana tokens are very popular these days. And we're going to go over the information on the Abble coin and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So you can find this token listed on DEX Tools, on DEX Screener, on SolScan. They have a bunch of different pools here. It looks like Meteora, Jupiter, and Orca, and Raydium. So this is a Solana meme token that you can get from different decentralized exchanges like the one I just named by funding your Phantom wallet or your Sol Flare wallet with Sol, going into the dApps, finding Raydium, and then trading your Sol for the Abble token using the contract address that you could find on their official webpage, abble.org. Now, you may have to set slippage if there's taxes in the tokenomics, so just be aware of that. Or you can get it off a centralized exchange. It just got listed yesterday on a very big central exchange called Coinex Global. So if you're looking to get this token, you can get it on Coinex. If you don't have a Coinex account, I do have a Coinex Global referral code down there in the description box. So basically all you'd have to do is simply just go right through that Coinex Global referral code down there, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, search AABL, and then simply just buy the token. So that's another way to get it. Now, this token is doing very well. They have a market cap right now of $38.69 million. Doing extremely well. They have $1.56 million in liquidity right now on Raydium. They have 16,770 holders. Today they have a 24-hour trading volume of $2.26 million. They have a total supply and circulating supply of 999.92 million tokens. And they have 4.44 thousand pooled Sol and Raydium, which is equivalent to 20.19 million pooled Abble tokens. I keep wanting to say Apple every time I look at the name of the token because it is, just used to saying it. Abble, I never said that word in my life, and now we are saying Abble. So anyways, they have a quick audit here also on DEX Tools by Quick Intel Security. And it says contract is verified, no honeypot, no mintable tokens, no modifying the tax, and no other risks. So there's no warnings on there, but keep in mind that's just a quick audit. It's not a full audit. You should always do your own research there. Their DEX score is 99 out of 99, and they have a community trust score of 100%. So their pool was created 12 days ago, 21 hours ago, according to DEX Screener. So it's a pretty fairly new project, not even 2 weeks old, and it's already getting big central exchange listings. So their webpage is abble.org, and they have links to their Telegram there. They have a link to Birdeye. You could also buy the token off of Birdeye as well and check out the chart there. They have a link to their X, which I'm going to put right here on the screen. Their Twitter is @AbbleCoin. And it says, roadmap, are you serious? Obviously, they have no roadmap because this is just a meme coin. It says, liquidity is burnt, mint revoked. And yeah, just lots of memes on their page here. And of course, a disclaimer, Abble is a meme coin with no utility, no intrinsic value. And it says, if you are worried about losing your money, whatever, do not invest, all that type of stuff, right? Always read the big disclaimers on these projects here. And yeah, you can find this token on Solscan. It says there's 6 decimal places on this token. The price today is about 2.73 cents per token. And they're also listed on CoinGecko, it says as well. So lots of token listings here. Now on Coinex Global, it says Abble is a token issued by Bags. So Bags is probably a well-known crypto influencer company. I haven't heard of them, but okay. Bags, a social finance project. There you go. Based on Solana. Users can use Aabl to tip others. This meme project is a community-driven and entirely initiated project by the community, emphasizing equity, justice, and inclusion. I don't know if they meant to put equality, but they put equity. With everyone participating and having a say in decision-making with a focus on community development. Now, their Twitter has 26,000 followers, has a link to their webpage right there, so you guys can easily find that. And has also their contact emails up there as well. Gold verified checkmark, 960 posts. You can see they're followed by Coinex Global there. And then if you scroll through their tweets, tons of memes, tons of Abble memes, of course. Meme token, you want the memes, right? So go check this project out. Just got listed on Coinex Global yesterday. Also the Gecko Inu token, GEC, which is an AVAX token, just got listed on Coinex Global yesterday. They get lots of brand new meme token listings these days. Like they just got that Doo token, which is, I believe, another Solana meme token, got listed on there. The Mochi token just got listed on there. Brian Armstrong's cat. So like Coinex Global has like insanely low fees compared to other central exchanges. It's some of these central exchanges fees are insane, and even like decentralized exchanges, like if you use Ethereum and you use Uniswap and stuff like that, sometimes these fees are like over $50, insane fees. But Coinex Global, like some of the lowest fees I've ever seen on central exchanges. So definitely check out Coinex Global. They get tons of meme tokens like the Smol token on there, the Slurf, all these very popular new meme tokens get listed on Coinex and MEXC Global, Duco. So check out all the referral codes down there. Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.